Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I love showing people how they can do the activities that they love with the abilities that they have. Okay, so I love working with the 65 plus population, and you know something? They love gardening. They have the green thumb. Okay, so today's video is about the 3 things I think all seniors who love to garden need to have. Okay, ready? Number 1. Okay, I have this awesome spray nozzle. Okay, and what makes this nozzle user friendly is that it doesn't have where you have to grip. Okay, it has a little lever that you adjust for the intensity of the water, and then it has this wide nozzle where you can change the settings. Okay, this is all user friendly for people who might have arthritis already in their hands. Okay, number 2 is a retractable hose, lightweight. Okay, something where you don't have to drag or lift it. That's recommendation number 2. Okay, number 3, oh my gosh, do I love this. Okay, it is one of those portable kneelers. Okay, and I'm gonna drop a picture by what I mean by it. Okay, where you can adjust it to where you can kneel, or you flip it upside down. Okay, and then it becomes a resting seat. So then that way you can handle whatever gardening, joy that you want to achieve. Okay, so if you're having difficulty kneeling to get down into the ground, to get your hands dirty, okay, this is when finding a physical therapist who will actually break it down for you, how to go from a sitting position to a high kneel. Okay, and people who have had hip replacements and knee replacements, they especially should be taught how to kneel. All right, so if you really like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.